Well, children's rights are central to all our policies, all our philosophy, our ethos. Everything is based on the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. It is an umbrella, really, for which everything else, all our other work, hangs from it. It is the foundation of everything. It's implicit, it's just everywhere. We feel it, we live it, we breathe it. You can ask any child from reception right through to year 6 and they'll know their rights. They'll know which articles they're from, they know that they've got a voice, they know they can be heard, they're involved. Pupil participation is really strong, but they're involved here through everything, watching teachers teach, writing the school development plan. It's just living and breathing it, and it means everything to us really here at Hafod.
If you learn it from reception to year 6, then you'll know you always had rights, and it's just really important. If you don't know you have rights, then you don't know you have access to things. Like saying you have the right to a voice and say your opinion. So I think it's really important that you have rights.
It's no good giving them a voice if you're not going to listen to them, and they need to see that their voices are being heard and that there's actions from their suggestions and what they've been telling us. They feel, all the questionnaires we've done with the children, every one of them has said they feel safe. They feel in an environment where they can speak to adults, they can talk about their innermost fears. It's no good having rights if you don't know about them. It has made a huge impact, especially child protection. Some children didn't know that they weren't allowed to be treated the way they're being treated, some of them. And they can come and tell us, and we can sort things out and hopefully work with families and children to make their lives better.
I think that whenever you come here, you know that people are always there for you, and I feel really safe here, and I know that I've got my rights, so I'm okay, and it's just a really nice atmosphere.
I think a lot of people are afraid that it's another add-on and it's a project, or it's another award. It's not that at all. It underpins everything, all your work on healthy schools, healthy living, global citizenship. And until you try it, until you do it and experience it, you won't realise the power it has. It just underpins everything.